Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. The electric vehicle market just got a whole lot more interesting with the arrival of Slate EV, a budget-friendly newcomer backed by none other than Jeff Bezos. Imagine an EV that can transform from a two-door pickup truck into an SUV. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this is exactly what we've got. According to Motor Trend's in-depth review, the Slate EV was designed in California and Michigan, with assembly taking place in the Midwest using domestically sourced parts. Talk about American ingenuity. Now, when it comes to specs, the Slate EV packs a punch for its price point. With a 150 kW single rear-mounted motor, it boasts an estimated 150-mile range on a standard battery. And if that's not enough, it can fully charge in up to 8 hours, though we can expect the 80% mark within a more reasonable 30 minutes. But don't get too excited just yet. This EV doesn't come with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-end vehicle. No infotainment panel, no Android Auto or Apple's CarPlay. The Slate encourages you to bring your own devices for entertainment on the go, providing brackets for your phone, tablet, or Bluetooth speaker. Now we know what you're thinking. Is this EV worth the hype? At a price point of $20,000, roughly $20,000 less than a Rivian R2 and Elon Musk's Tesla Model 3, it definitely has its fans. By not compromising on performance, Slate is offering an affordable option for those looking to make the switch to electric. Reservations are now open with a mere $50 down payment, though leasing isn't currently available at launch. No word yet on when actual vehicles will hit the road, but rest assured, when they do arrive, Electro Drive News will be keeping you informed every step of the way. So there you have it, Slate EV. An electric vehicle that's giving Tesla a run for its money in terms of affordability and versatility.